Often new entrepreneurs fall in the trap of thinking they just need a logo and then bam, they're suddenly in business. And while sure, you could just create a logo and be on your way, if you do though, it won't be that effective if you haven't created a brand first. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help emerging entrepreneurs level up their business online with a brand and website that connects with their dream clients. And the goal of your logo is to make your business instantly recognizable and to make your audience feel a specific way that you've intended so that you can make a connection with them. Even though it can appear effortless for some big companies like Nike or Apple, for example, it doesn't just happen automatically. Even the best designers can't dive right into the logo without creating the brand first if you're going to make it work. So whether you're hiring a professional or DIYing it, you've got to create your brand first and then your logo. The first thing to do is determine your brand's personality. Your brand's personality stems from the key adjectives that describe your business as if it were a person. So these 3 to 4 adjectives sum up the human characteristics and the emotions that your business embodies and the way that it shows up and acts in front of your audience. So this sets the stage for the entire look of your business and has to be determined well before you design your logo. Next, you've got to know your brand itself. Chicken or egg, brand or logo, which comes first? Unfortunately, many entrepreneurs jump right in with the logo and think, once that's perfect, then I'll develop my brand around my logo. That's not the case though. As Jeff Bezos famously said, your brand is what other people say about you when you're not in the room. It's how people perceive your business, the overall essence. Your logo then is a visual shortcut to your brand. Its job is to give meaning to your brand and then give it a physical appearance, not the other way around. So in order for your logo to be able to communicate your brand, you've got to know your brand first. Understand shape psychology. Our brains are naturally hardwired to process shapes first, then colors, and then words. So just like colors and fonts, shapes have built-in associations that can impact the way that your logo is perceived. So you've got to think about the meanings and associations of common symbols. For example, circles evoke the feeling of partnership, continuity, and perseverance, while squares can give the feeling of boldness and balance. When designing a logo, shape can help to create a more emotional and psychological connection between your brand and your potential clients. So don't miss this step. It's been said that your logo is the face of your company, so it's totally worth it to spend some time beforehand making sure that it properly represents the beautiful business that you're building and what you want it to stand for. Now, if you're wondering, where do I start? And what do I do next when it comes to getting my business going? Then go sign up for my upcoming workshop where I'll show you the simple business launch method so that you can easily get your business off the ground with a standout brand and website that's going to help you connect with your dream clients. Go over to dowellwebsites.com/workshop to grab your spot. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time.